Hi guys, welcome to Miniautos. Today we are going to unbox Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport scale 1:32 from RMZ city. I bought this die-cast model from Amazon for 415 rupees. Okay guys, don't want to waste our time. Let's get into the video and unbox the package. Finally we cracked the box. This is the front end of the package. Yes, finally we removed from the box. So this is the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Die-cast RMZ city side of box. Has a license from Lamborghini, Volkswagen, Ford, General Motors, BMW, McLaren, Land Rover, Porsche, Toyota, Honda, Acura, Nissan. It has openable doors and a pull back and go option. So, let's see the bottom of the box. It contains choking hazard warning. It is not compatible for children below 3 years. Manufacturer details and their addresses. This is the importer license. It was imported by Reliance. We have two color options in this Corvette Grand Sport model. One is red and another one is blue. I bought this red color. In my opinion, the red is far better than blue. We have a lock at the bottom. We need to unscrew with the help of a screwdriver. But children, be cautious, get the advice from adults. This is the front end of the model. This is the side view. As I said earlier, it has a pull back option. You can see it. It is provided with a nice motor from RMZ city. This is the back end of the model and you can see the Corvette logo. It has a good nice looking interior and an openable door. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and share with your friends, and you please comment below the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications.